Hello and welcome back to the Bryan Fagan YouTube channel. I'm Renika Hayes, and if you filed or are thinking about filing for divorce in Texas, you need to understand the 60-day waiting period. It's one of the most misunderstood parts of the process, and getting it wrong can delay your case or even cause issues with your final order. Let's go over what this waiting period means, when it applies, and how you can use this time productively. Texas law requires a mandatory 60-day waiting period between the time a divorce petition is filed and when it is finalized. This countdown starts the day after your petition is filed. This rule applies to nearly every divorce filed in Texas, even uncontested ones, where both spouses agree on everything. The idea is to give both parties time to think, reflect, and avoid rushing into a permanent decision. There are only a few exceptions. For example, the court may waive the waiting period in cases involving domestic violence or active protective orders. Take the case of Jordan and Amanda. They filed an uncontested divorce in Harris County, agreeing on all terms, custody, property division, and support. They assumed everything would be finalized in a week or two. Their paperwork was in order, but the judge wouldn't finalize the divorce until 60 days passed. The lawyer explained that the court simply doesn't have the authority to finalize the divorce sooner unless it falls under an exception. Instead of waiting around, Jordan and Amanda used the time to prepare their final orders, complete parenting classes, and gather documents for the decree. When the 60 days ended, everything was ready and the divorce went through smoothly. While 60 days may seem like a long delay, it's actually a chance to get organized. By the time the 60 days pass, you'll be more prepared and your case will likely move faster and more efficiently. Divorce is never easy, but understanding the 60-day rule can help you avoid surprises and take control of the process. Like and subscribe for more Texas divorce guidance and schedule a free 30-minute consultation with our team. We're here to support you every step of the way.
Thanks for tuning in to the end. We understand that divorce can be expensive depending on the situation. That's why we're offering our Do-It-Yourself Texas Divorce e-course. You can get access to this e-course by clicking on the link in the description below. Catch you in the next video.